heard of Google's new toy called Project Astra? No worries, I'm gonna break it down for you right now. Think of it as that one friend who's hella smart, but also knows everything about everything you're doing, whether it be about your business or your job or your schoolwork. She can see everything through your phone, your laptop, and even your glasses. So whenever you need advice, she's there, and you don't even have to update her on all the tea because she already knows the entire situation. That's what Astra does. For example, let's say you're reviewing your website analytics and you can't figure out why your sales page isn't converting. Astra can literally look at your site and do a quick analysis and tell you, like, this button needs to be higher, or your customers can't easily tell how to contact you. Or maybe you're in a vendor meeting and they throw a contract at you that sounds like gibberish. Astra can read it and be like, right there in your ear, whispering, this clause limits their liability if they don't deliver. Here's what you need to ask for. For me, she's my business bestie who is part lawyer, part strategist, part tech genius. And she never takes a day off. But Astra is a tool. She's not a magic wand. She won't remind you to follow up with that lead you ghosted or tell you to stop undercharging for your services because you know you undercharging for your services. The real secret of AI is that it only is as good as the human who finesses it. For a lot of entrepreneurs, especially Black entrepreneurs, access to consultants, coaches, and technical experts can be expensive. But with these AI tools, we can close the gap between knowing what's possible and actually taking action to make better decisions. So whether you're optimizing your online course or optimizing your patient flow system or negotiating that new supplier deal, AI can give you the competitive edge you need. But here's the play. You have to start playing with these tools. You will slowly learn how to ask better questions, how to build better systems, how to make this tech work for you. Otherwise, it's just another new shiny app in your phone. The folks who stay curious, who keep learning, and leverage tools like Astra are the ones who are going to have a seat, not just at the table, but at the head of the table. So don't sleep on this. Get familiar, experiment, and let this tech start to help you run your business and your household smarter. If you'd like to learn more about the gnarly ways that AI is shifting the landscape, subscribe to our newsletter, AI Flow. See you in the next video. Peace.